To do JavaScript array add to end, you can use the array push method. In JavaScript, the array push method adds one or more elements to the end of the array. First, we'll need an array, so let R equals an array with 1, 2, and 3. Let's do R dot push 4. Then let's print that. Call out. So console.log that after console.log R after the call to push. If we run this code, you'll see the call to push returns the new length of the array, and that push added the new element to the end of the array. Next, push can be used to add multiple items to the end of the array. So, r.push 4, 5, and 6. We can get rid of printing the call, but we'll still print R. If we run this code, you will see that push added each element individually. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.